least 40 people are dead in the US as winter storms sweep the nation, with 31 killed in the past week. Fatalities have been reported across a number of states, many as a result of road accidents caused by the severe weather. Some parts of the country have recorded snowfall of almost a metre. More than 60 million people are under weather alerts.